Hello my friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're now friends. In this video we have a look of Theta networks. So friends, in this video I will show you the live price prediction of Theta network. What's the price change goes in Theta network, what's the high price at, what is the current status of Theta coin in a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies market. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Theta network of the last 1 hour. You are watching now friends. That is live last 1 hour in current price change occur in the Theta network. The average change occur in the last 1 hour is positive 0.83%, and the high price of Theta coin in the last 1 hour is $12.16 is the high price of Theta network. Friends, if we look the graph of the Theta network of the previous last 1 hour, so absolutely it goes up. The best time a best change occur in Theta network in the last 1 hour. So now friends, let's check it out the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour in Theta coin, and the what is the high price of Theta network in the last 4 hour. So friends, the last 4 hour price prediction on the screen, as you can see here, the change occur in the last 4 hour, and a Theta coin is positive 1.84%, and the high price is $12.16. Absolutely a good change occur in the Theta coin. I'm very happy to see this kind of change because after great funds, I think they start a explosion. As you can see here, now they are also in the jumping mood. A very good change occur in a Theta coin friends. Now for more details, let's check it out the last 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes in the last previous 1 day. As I told you and friends, that after a great fast they start an explosion. So if we look the graphs of the Theta network, so they fast down in a previous hour, but in the last 4 hour they starting jumping upward, as you can see here. So maybe they goes upward in the future. So the explosion time of Theta network starts now. If we look the average change occurred in the Theta network in the last 1 day as a negative 2.3%, because they fast down in the previous hour, and now soon they are in positive because in this time they start explosion, and the high price is $12.45 is the high price of Theta coin in this time friends. So friends, what's according to the price prediction of the last 1 hour, last 4 hour, the both changes are in positive, but the last 1 day price prediction are negative. So as you know, at this time they start explosion, so maybe they upward, maybe they take a high explosion in the last 1 hour, as you can see here at this time. That is why my suggestion for all Theta holders, that please hold your Theta coin with the last of this month, because now the explosion of Theta coin are start now. Maybe the big explosion of Theta coin are coming soon, so please wait for it, and please hold your Theta coin. What's your opinion about Theta coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.